Did you know a prison escape so clever happened that guards didn't notice for 18 hours? Alcatraz was America's most secure prison, built on an island, surrounded by freezing water. No one had ever escaped alive. 3 inmates spent months planning the impossible. Frank Morris and the Anglin brothers collected spoons from the cafeteria. Night after night, they dug through their cell walls. They made fake heads from soap and hair, placed them in their beds to fool guards. They built a raft from raincoats stolen from the prison workshop. On June 11, 1962, they crawled through the holes they'd carved, climbed to the roof, slipped into the dark waters of San Francisco Bay. The next morning, guards found empty cells and fake heads on pillows. The FBI launched the biggest manhunt in history, searched for 17 years. They found pieces of the raft, personal belongings, but no bodies. Were the 3 men the first to escape Alcatraz alive? Or did the freezing bay claim 3 more victims? The mystery remains unsolved.